In today's fast-paced world, many of us struggle silently with blood sugar spikes, those sudden rises after meals, stress, or hidden sugars. If you've been seeking a natural, reliable way to help manage your glucose levels, Gluco6 might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. What is Gluco6? Gluco6 is a dietary supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar levels. Made with natural, plant-based ingredients, its formula is geared toward helping you prevent sudden sugar surges, stabilize glucose fluctuations, and improve energy levels. How it works. Unlike many approaches that only treat symptoms, Gluco6 claims to dive deeper, focusing on the GLUT4 receptors. These receptors play a huge role in glucose uptake in your cells. When they're overwhelmed, for example by hidden sugars in processed foods, your system can get thrown off balance. Gluco6 aims to relieve some of that strain. Key ingredients. Here are the standout components in Gluco6 and why they matter. Sucrase, a healthy sugar designed to lighten the load on GLUT4 receptors. Gymnema, commonly known for supporting insulin production and helping manage sugar cravings. Chromium, an essential trace mineral often linked to more stable glucose levels. Cinnamon and green tea. Both have been studied for their beneficial effects on blood sugar and metabolic rate. These are combined with other supernutrients to create a formula supportive of overall glucose control. Who is it for? If any of these describe you, Gluco6 may be especially relevant. You frequently experience post-meal sugar surges. You're trying to maintain more even energy levels through the day. You're looking for natural ways, beyond prescription drugs, to support healthy glucose. You want a supplement that feels safe, non-habit-forming, and plant-based. Benefits and guarantees. Some of the claimed benefits: prevent sudden glucose spikes, keeps glucose levels within healthier ranges, boosts metabolism and helps with weight management, enhances energy and well-being. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, which lowers risk if you try it and don't see results. Things to consider. While Gluco6 appears promising, here are some cautions, as with any supplement. It is not a substitute for medical advice or treatment. If you have diabetes or any serious health condition, check with your doctor. Results may vary. Some people see changes quickly. Others may need to take it consistently for 3 to 6 months. If you're already using medicines or supplements that affect blood sugar, combining them may need oversight. Final thoughts. Living well with balanced blood sugar feels like an uphill climb, especially with modern diets and stressors. But products like Gluco6 are attempting to give us tools that are more natural, targeted, and science-influenced. If you're looking for a supplement that not only eases sugar spikes, but also supports metabolism, insulin response, and steady energy, Gluco6 deserves a look. If you give it a try, make sure to pair it with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and the guidance of a healthcare provider. Your body will thank you. At One Review, we review the best deal for you. Love discovering the best deals and product tips. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews, top recommendations, and exclusive affiliate offers to save you time and money. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.